Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to check Kotak Bank balance using your WhatsApp number. It's very simple process. You just follow my tips and tricks and you can see entire bank statement in your Kotak Bank. So let's start as a demonstration on mobile screen. So here is my mobile screen and you need to save first of all this number. The number is available on mobile screen like a 02266006022. You need to save this number. I already saved this number from Kotak Bank and now I just simply open my WhatsApp and look at this here. I just simply save this number. So again I will show it to you, this number. Look at this here, 2266006022. This is a Kotak Bank customer care number. So now we'll see how to check bank account detail. So I just simply type here hi. So they are sending me one message, hello customer, welcome Kotak Bank, WhatsApp banking services of your fingertips. So now I type here BAL and click. So they sure I can help you with your request. Already please select your below. So two options they are providing me, which one I select. So I select here two number, account related information I needed. So look at this here, this account is my NRI account. So they are providing me two account detail. First one withdrawal balance and account balance, and second one account balance and withdrawal balance. This is one of the best tips and tricks you can your WhatsApp no matter where you are living, in India or out of India. So using this process you can very easily find out your bank detail. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.